So the fucking car is on fire.
Drive shaft, literally on fire.
Wait, I can't get closer to that.
Dude, I say she's something get some. Hopefully, no, maybe I don't know. Anyway, we're just doing a quick stupid Lowe's run because like I said, my intake shot the bed, so I'm trying to custom fab something up.
I did watch that video today too.
Dude, that intake, yeah, right. It's fucked. For those that don't know, my pulley is basically cut through my intake tube, going to my supercharger, basically causing me to run crazy stupid rich because I have a leak behind my math. And yeah, it's not fun. So Lowe's literally closes in about a half an hour, so we're kind of just rushing over to Lowe's.
That supercharger life.
Dude, the supercharger life is great. Just have your phone off, and because Brandon's an idiot and cracked his phone when we were working on the 240.
So actually something fell on it. I don't even know what it was.
So now we're on the quest to find me a 3" 90 pipe for my Mustang to fix my intake. We got all the silicone couplers now, which is good. We're covered in dog hair because, you know, fuck it, why not? Yeah. And so now going to Garage 16, we went to Performance Improvements in Brampton, got my couplers. Now we're going to every single speed shop we can find in the area because no one carries 3" pipe apparently because that Honda stores. And we still have to get the drive shaft off though eventually once it's out of the car.
But it'd be easier once it's out.
Yeah, that's true. We don't have to keep spinning it.
Yeah. Hey, look, it's the train.
Oh my god. Holy shit. Dude, this is great for filming, but fuck, dude.
What do you know?
It's not tight. You're like covering it.
I know. The whole time it's just the visor.
Yeah.
See how long? Holy, look how long that train.
Oh my god! Oh fuck, I'm gonna put my phone out. No cops, I don't give a fuck.